Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. Many congratulations to my nation India and to entire cricket team of India, especially Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, Surya Kumar Yadav. These people have just done phenomenal and they all worked as a unit. Beat Arshdeep and just salute to Bumrah. This particular video is all about Hardik Pandya. You've seen him completely, he was bashed in the IPL and criticized for being the captain of Mumbai Indians. And people call him Chapri. You've seen people call him Kaua and all these statements. But on the same time, what made him to, perform like this and take that last over as one of the biggest opportunities of his life and convert that critical situation of his life, the challenge of his life, into the most successful moment of his life. You see, astrologically, you have to learn one thing. When you are going to be criticized or when you are going to be bullied by mass of people, there's one planet that start giving you tons of support, and that planet is Rahu. And you'll be surprised how Rahu gives you support when people give you a hate speech or people try to, bully you, and people try to, say you these words like, Chapri that was said to Hardik Pandya. All these people, and they were not, many people. So if there were 140 crore people, there were around few lakhs or few crore people. Every time he walked into the ground, he was asked and it was said this name loudly, and he was taking. You can see his face, and all these people took his Rahu away. That's the astrological reason. I don't know his chart. But definitely, when you are getting into such situations that the entire world looks completely against you, it happens when the planets like Rahu are trying to, give you or show you the ground. They're trying to show you that, you're nothing. You will lose all the matches and you'll just finish off. And then he kept quiet. He was reactionless many times. And on the same time, he kept on listening. And then his Rahu got neutralized. That, okay, done. A lot of people are saying, now you work hard and just achieve what you want to achieve. This is the principle of Jyotisha that I want to tell, that whenever someone tries to say wrong about you or try to, call you with different words that makes you very, very uncomfortable or very hurting for you, that person has actually sucked all your Rahu energy, the negative Rahu energy, and the Rahu negative transfers to those people who are going to give you hate speeches. This is one of the biggest principles of Vedic Jyotish. And if you go back, there are many people who done very well, but that last over, and in a game like 2020, and that to the finals of the World Cup of 2020, to score 15 runs in 6 balls is very common. In 1 over, 15 runs is nothing. But then to bring the team back and take those crucial and important wickets and, maintain the calm and composure, in a pressure situation can only happen if that support comes from that celestial, nature, the mother nature. This is, ladies and gentlemen, the result of a situation when everything goes against you, when everyone stands against you and say that you're nothing. That is the time when every, celestial power starts supporting you. So think 10 times before you bully someone. Think, think again when you say some hate speech to someone. Even performing, having good time, bad time is part of life. It can be for you, it can be for me, it can be for anyone. But if you have time to, bully someone, you are doing nothing wrong with him. Actually, you're doing wrong to yourself. You're taking his Rahu on you. And this you can experience not only with Hardik Pandya, with anyone you are saying a hate speech or saying wrong words. You are actually enhancing his bhagya. You're getting his karma settled and you're taking those negative energies on you. On the same time, if we go further ahead, Rohit Sharma, he was downgraded from a captain to a player in the Mumbai Indian teams. Maybe, I'm not saying the decision was wrong. It was it's a management decision. But then the way Hardik behaved in certain situations, he was a captain. You must understand that he has that authority to make someone stand at from short mid wicket to the long on. But then, he took Rohit and he sent Rohit on the boundary. He took his Rahu away, and which gave that Bhagya to Rohit as well. And you all bullying Hardik took Hardik's Rahu away. And result is both became winners. And the people who were bullying them are the losers. But now if they can just apologize within themselves and call them the world champions and heroes and be proud of them, your Rahu will be settled. This is the astrological reasons of Hardik Pandya becoming a superstar from where he was 4 months ago. If you like the video, please like to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I have more than 700 videos on this YouTube channel. Every single video has come out of a lot of research and experience. If you connect to them, if you listen to them once, twice, every time you listen to them, you're going to learn something. I'll come up with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.